Hello everyone, welcome to this meditation practice for manifestation of your goals. Let us begin by finding a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. Take a few moments to settle into your posture, allowing your body and mind to relax. Bring your attention to your breath. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, feel your feet or your back in contact with the surface beneath you. Feel supported and safe, and know that you can fully let go now. Take another deep breath in, and then squeeze all the fingers and toes in. Hold the tension for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and as you exhale, relax your entire body. One last time, take a deep breath in, feeling the expansion in your body, and as you exhale, release all tightness and tension from each part of the body. Now allow your breath to return to its natural rhythm and let your body find its own state of ease and comfort. As we begin this meditation, we'll focus on aligning our thoughts, emotions, and energy with our desired intentions. Remember that manifestation is a process of co-creating with the universe, and this meditation will support you in manifesting your goals and desires. Take a moment to bring to mind something you would like to manifest in your life. It could be a goal, a dream, a positive change, or a specific outcome. Visualize this clearly as a moving picture, as if it has already occurred. See your goal happening all around you and within you, as if it has already manifested in your life. Feel the emotions and sensations that arise within you as you picture this new reality. Now, as you focus on desired manifestation, begin to notice the thoughts and beliefs that arise. Are there any doubts, fears, or limiting beliefs that come up? Acknowledge them without judgment, and with the next breath, gently release them, knowing that they do not serve your highest goal. If an obstacle comes to your mind, accept the obstacles that are in your way. Acknowledge them and then visualize taking positive steps to overcome those obstacles. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, let go of any resistance or attachment to the outcome. Trust in the process of manifestation and the infinite possibilities available to you. Now shift your focus to the positive emotions associated with your desired goal. Connect with the feelings of joy, gratitude, excitement, and fulfillment that arises when you think about it. Embrace those positive emotions and allow them to expand within you. Breathe deeply into these emotions, imagining them radiating from your heart and permeating from every cell of your being. Feel the energetic alignment with your desired manifestation, knowing that the universe is responding to your positive vibrations. As you continue to breathe, repeat the following affirmations silently in your mind. I am aligned with the manifestation of my desires. I attract abundance, love, and success. I'm worthy of experiencing my dreams and goals. I trust in the divine timing of the universe. I release any resistance and allow manifestation to flow effortlessly. Feel the power of these affirmations resonating within you, reinforcing your belief in the manifestation process. Embrace the energy of abundance and possibility. Take a few more moments to bask in the energy of positive vibrations that you have cultivated. Feel the alignment and connection with your desired outcome. Trust that the universe is working in your favor to bring your manifestation into reality. As we conclude this meditation, take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, release any remaining tension or discomfort. Gently allow yourself to transition back to this present moment. Carry the energy of the manifestation and positive intention with you as you go about your day. Take inspired action, trust the process, and remain open to the opportunities that arise. Namaste.